Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Help Scout for customer support automation easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Help Scout website. Once you are on the Help Scout homepage, look for the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address in the sign up form. After entering your email, create a strong password for your account. Make sure to follow any given password criteria for security purposes. Next, you may need to fill in your company details, including name and size. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, and agree to them if you're comfortable. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox shortly. Open the confirmation email and click on the link provided to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Help Scout website. Log in using the email address and password you just created. After logging in, you will be taken to your Help Scout dashboard. Here, you can explore various settings and features for customer support automation. To integrate Help Scout with your current systems, navigate to the Integrations tab. Choose the integrations that fit your business needs. Follow the prompts to connect necessary tools and applications. Once everything is set up, you can start customizing your customer support workflows. Take some time to explore the Help Scout features to maximize your automation. Now you're ready to utilize Help Scout for your customer support needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.